Yeah, you want me to go?
Yep. Chime in, Justin.
What's up, everybody? We're back again. We were hopeful to be using a new mic tonight, so I will try to speak up, hopefully. But instead of coming back every 2 weeks, we're going to go every week, just because we enjoy doing this and we like our technology, so it gives us a chance to use it. Tonight's dish will be the fan favorite, the Mexibowl. This is by far our best-selling Buddha bowl. I think it's where everybody starts. Most people start there. It has our jackfruit and king oyster mix that everybody swears is chicken, beef, whatever.
Pork.
But it's not, it's fruit. And then we have some broccoli. We're gonna serve it with some rice, some refried beans that we make ourselves. We'll dice up a tomato, make some guacamole, and we're gonna call that a good day. So I'll jump right into it. Our pan is preheating. It's a little hot already. And then we have another little saucepan that we're gonna throw in some refried beans into to reheat. So I've got that going on. And while your pan's heating up, we're gonna go ahead and cut the broccoli. One thing we do, we just hold it nice and here at the bottom, and I just kind of work around the outside. And so you'll take each little floret off one at a time. Just keep your fingers out of the way. And then your bigger pieces, we just cut them through to bite-sized pieces, however you want to use it.
Shannon, we had a little technical difficulty with our sound system, so we don't have a mic hooked up to my phone yet, but on the YouTube video, it will sound a lot better. So we're kind of going for Justin speaking louder.
Trying to. You just have to turn the volume up. All right, so the cast iron's heating up. Little saucepan's gonna heat up pretty quick, so we're gonna go ahead and add our olive oil to both. And then our refried bean that we make is just pinto beans, a little bit of black beans. We season it with our Mexi seasoning, and then throw in a bunch of veggie stock or water, depending on what you have. So we're gonna throw that into the little pan. And then in the smoking pan, we're gonna add the jackfruit. And then your broccoli. And then while this is all cooking and getting ready, you're just gonna keep an eye on it, kind of toss and turn it here and there. We're gonna go ahead and get the guac ready. One thing I never do is I never cut an avocado into my hand. I never want the knife to slip or catch my hand or catch a finger. We use really, really sharp knives, so safety is key. And so here, most people would take their avocado and try to slam their knife into this way. And like I said, if this slips or falls off, there goes your finger or an artery. You know, you're really out of luck. So just be safe. And then from there, you can just squeeze these into the bowl. And then try not to burn your stuff on the pan. So don't forget to check on it. So we're cooking everything on a nice medium heat. The jackfruit's already cooked, or previously cooked. Same with any store-bought jackfruit you get in the bag that's ready to go. That stuff's already cooked, so you're just reheating it. And then the refried bean is going. Try not to burn that and let that stick to the bottom. If you do end up sticking, you can just throw in a little extra water and you'll be okay.
So sometimes when I try the jackfruit, it's a little more of on the saltier side. Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, the jackfruit is kept in a brine to help preserve it. If you don't, it goes gray and it doesn't hold very well, so it's just part of the flavor. Otherwise, if you let it go too much, it does get really sweet when it's ripe. It's super sweet, rather, what's the fruit? Yeah, kind of like a mango. All right, so then in the bowl of avocado, we're gonna go ahead and add in plenty of salt, however much you like. And then a good helping of cilantro. And then I'm not adding any tomato or onion to the guacamole. We keep it really simple. And then we're just gonna slice the lime in half. Throw it in the juicer. And then mash your avocados with a fork. Helps keep a little bit of texture, but also gets it nice and smooth so it's not too chunky. That's ready to go. And then we're gonna plate everything into a bowl. Well, we have one of these like half bowl, half plate type of things. And so we're gonna use some rice. And we have our trusty zojirushi.
Best around.
If you're in the market for a rice maker, just get these. It's all you need. You don't even need to know how to make rice. It'll just make rice for you. It does a phenomenal job. So we have some rice. And then we're gonna add the jackfruit here in one spot. And then some refried bean on the other side.
Hey, Aurelio.
And then your broccoli right there in the middle. We try to split up any colors that are the same, so that way it just doesn't all run together. And then we're gonna top it with some diced tomato.
Does anyone have any questions? Shout it out.
And then we're gonna make a wedge out of the last bit of lime. Throw 2 in there. And then I forgot the cheese, so let me grab that.
Look at that. It's nice and steamy. Let's see what it tastes like. Liz is going to be our test taster.
And then our new favorite vegan cheese is made by Miyoko's, just out. It's absolutely delicious, so.
Oh, yeah, this is vegan cheese. We've
Put some
tried
of that on
many.
top. And then we always have creme fraiche. It's like our sour cream replacement. We'll add some of that. And then you just top it with a little bit more cilantro.
No, we don't.
And you're all set.
Jen is asking, do you special order your jackfruit?
No, we're in the process of getting set up with the correct distributor to get it. Otherwise, I go up to Chicago every week to find all my rare, different, difficult products. So, but you can, if you have a good source, you can always enjoy that and keep that to yourself. So, and then also don't forget to wash off your cast iron before it gets cold. So the pan's still piping hot. We're gonna just rinse it off.
We got Liz coming up here. She is going to. Right. Mix it up a little bit. Oh, she just ruined it.
always.
It's her dinner.
Yep.
Alright, see you guys.
Awesome. Thank you. So yeah, that's probably the best dish that we make. Everybody seems to order that every week. So, what's next?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
so we got something new.
Big exciting news. We can finally open up for indoor seating at the end of the week. So Friday, you can come in, enjoy a nice meal with us. We will not be sitting at the bar, unfortunately, but if Mom wants to take you back there, we have a new seating area set up for you. So
Okay, hold
enjoy.
on. Just follow me through. We're gonna walk through the door. You guys see this door. And same chairs. And I can't wait to get this started. Yay! And then, you wanna talk about our 21-day challenge?
Oh yeah. Starting the 14th. What is it? What's the day today? June
Today's 22nd.
22nd. So in 3 weeks, you can set it down.
No, I'm talking to Sal.
Oh, so in 3 weeks, we're doing our 21-day of plants challenge again. It's where we prepare everything. The first week is all raw, so 7 days of fruits and vegetables and torture. We all have a good time that first week, and then we slowly build you back up weeks 2 and 3. But we've had plenty of good success with that, plenty of good returners every time. So this is the quarter to get in on the 21-day challenge. Otherwise, if you want to do a week, you can always order that through the meal prep. This weekend, we are also sponsoring the disc golf event out at Mississippi. So if you don't have anything to do and you want to watch some disc golf going on, that will be out there. There will be close to 100 people out there playing disc golf. So it'll be a pretty busy day. And little did you know, Mississippi has one of the best disc golf parks in town. We still have outdoor seating. We're still doing curbside as always. Meal prep was strong today, so we just knocked that out of the park. We're getting ready for another good week. Thank you to everybody who showed up last week. It was a good pickup and pace, so we really enjoyed that. Hopefully next week we get our mics working and we'll be up and running fully. If you can't hear this one very well, catch us on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe. Go find us on YouTube. We'll be doing or uploading all the videos on there. And then we also have another surprise coming up in a few weeks. So thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner and eat more plants.
Yeah,
So,
and we'll be here next week.
thanks.
Bye.
What was that?